Food poisoning. Several times we've been at restaurants where either one of the staff or a restaurant client or patron would be suffering from food poisoning. And we found that tucking a ring in like so and holding a coil right in the center of it, right in this area, all the symptoms are gone within 10 to 15 minutes. And food poisoning can hit pretty fast. It can be quite severe and even require hospitalization. And I know that on 3 occasions we've dealt with food poisoning. Within 15 minutes, all symptoms were gone.
Drawing out, eh?
Drawing out, yes. Drawing out. Cramps and spasms in the abdomen resolve very quickly with a ring and a coil. Certain digestive problems also can be helped with that. Menstrual cramps can be relieved very quickly. And we've had reports that oftentimes there would be a very large flow of menses after the application of the tools. Real cleansing takes place. And in a couple of cases, gals who were well into menopause had their periods restored, and they were normal for several years afterwards.
Can you do the same thing with the feedback loop? If you haven't got the cord?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Feedback loop would have the same effect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.